Wall art may look saturated on Etsy until you discover a sub-niche most sellers are not paying attention to, because the truth is, not every wall art design is competing in the same crowded space. Some styles are hidden under the radar, but they are still getting attention from buyers. And in this video, I'll reveal one wall art design sub-niche that is quietly performing well, not just as a digital download, but also as a physical product. The best part is that you don't need to hold inventory, print anything yourself, or ship products manually. This wall art design is inspired by Georgia O'Keeffe-style floral artwork. It is a modern American floral art style, known for bold close-up flowers, soft natural colors, smooth shapes, and a calm abstract look. Instead of showing flowers in a regular way, this style focuses on zoomed-in petals, curved forms, and simple compositions that make the flower feel large, elegant, and artistic. Now, in order to know how this design is performing on Etsy, I made sure the Alura extension was active. This brings up the Alura logo on the side of the screen, and by clicking on it, you can see how this type of product performs monthly and also in total revenue. And by clicking on one of these products, you can see that it's still doing well in the last 12 months. This clearly shows that buyers are still interested in this type of floral wall art design. For example, one seller has generated an impressive amount of total revenue simply by selling designs with this bold close-up floral look. And the best part, this seller started not long ago. So with this kind of validation, it is clear that this design style is absolutely worth paying attention to. Before we get into creating the design, there is one key shift you need to understand. Most sellers are focusing on the physical part of this design, because in physical product, you can easily increase your profit margin, while in digital, you are limited with low profit margin. You either need a large amount of traffic or multiple listings bringing in consistent sales. And that is where things start to get challenging. Now think about it this way. Instead of relying only on digital downloads, what if you could take the same design and offer it as a physical product as well, without handling production or shipping yourself? This gives your customers more flexibility. They can choose to download and print the design on their own. The best part is, you are not doing extra work. You create the design once, and everything else, including printing, packaging, and delivery, is handled for you automatically. And that is exactly where Printify fits into the process. With a platform like Printify, selling physical products has never been easier. Printify offers a wide range of popular white label products that you can easily place your designs on. It also integrates directly with popular online stores, and with the Printify AI model, you can generate searchable product information much faster. Once your design is uploaded, it can be published to your store, and when a customer makes a purchase, Printify takes care of the printing and shipping, all without you holding any inventory. Keep watching to learn how to set this up step by step. Now, to recreate a similar bold floral wall art design using AI, I found Canva's Magic Media tool to work well. Before generating the image, I crafted a detailed prompt using this format: a large-scale close-up floral wall art design featuring soft curved petals, abstract flower shapes, warm desert-inspired colors, muted pink, cream beige terracotta, and soft green tones, elegant botanical composition, smooth painterly texture, modern American floral art aesthetic, minimal background, calm feminine mood, high-resolution wall art design, original artwork, not a copy of any existing painting. Once the prompt was ready, I created a new Canva project and selected a 2:3 aspect ratio. Then I opened Magic Media, pasted my prompt, selected the right format, and generated the design. This was the result. I also experimented with additional prompts and achieved different variations, including close-up poppy flowers, desert lilies, abstract roses, soft floral petals, and modern botanical compositions. In total, I created over 100 prompt variations that can produce similar results. To make things easier, I assembled a wall art starter pack that includes 600 prompts, 25 wall art ready mockups, 10 thank you pages, and an SEO and sizing guide to support your workflow. And a special thanks to my Patreon supporters for helping make this possible. Now that your design is ready, you can either prepare it as a digital product by compiling your files into a PDF for Etsy, or turn it into a physical product. If you choose the physical route, the first step is preparing it for print using Printify. Before Before uploading, I enhanced the image resolution using Let's Enhance to reduce the risk of pixelation. This was the improved result. After enhancement, I uploaded the design to Printify. Once your store is connected, you can select a poster or canvas product, then choose Start Designing and import your artwork into a white label item. Printify automatically provides default product details to make the setup process faster. Printify also automatically improved discoverability by providing title, description, and searchable tags. Once everything was finalized, I published the listing. Finally, if you found this helpful, you can access my prompt list in the description. It can help reduce trial and error when generating designs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.